Hanhart is best known for rugged pilot chronographs like the 417 ES. But today, we're stepping into something softer, sleeker, and more refined. Meet the new Hanhart Silva Rosé and Silva Pistachio, two beautifully minimalist timepieces that redefine everyday elegance with a vintage soul. Born from Hanhart's 1930s wristwatch heritage, the Silva line pays tribute to the brand's earliest time-only models, watches designed for clarity and simplicity. The 38.5mm stainless steel case, just 10mm thick, offers a compact unisex fit. A polished bezel, domed sapphire crystal, and sapphire display back make it feel timeless and contemporary at once. But it's the dials that steal the show. The Rosé, a soft pastel pink, and the Pistachio, a refreshing light green. Both feature bold Arabic numerals, dot markers, and the vintage Hanhart logo, giving off strong 1930s charm with modern vibrancy. Inside beats the Soprod P024 automatic movement, a reliable ETA 2824 clone, regulated in-house for high precision, running at 28,800 vibrations per hour with a 38-hour power reserve. You'll find it paired with calfskin leather straps or a Milanese bracelet, both giving the watch a clean, casual elegance fit for any occasion. At €990, the new Hanhart Silva Rosé and Pistachio bring a breadth of color and sophistication to the German brand's lineup, proof that minimalism and precision can go hand in hand. Which one would you wear? The warm rosé or the cool pistachio? Let me know your favorite in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more watch reviews every week.